Want to protect your work or brand your videos fast? I'll show you how to add a clean, professional watermark in DaVinci Resolve text or logo in minutes. Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to add a watermark in DaVinci Resolve, whether it's text like your name or username, or a logo. Click the subscribe or follow button and let's get started. First, open the video project you want to add a watermark to. Then open the Effects panel. In the Effects panel, select the Effects and scroll down. You'll find the Watermark option near the bottom, or keep Toolbox selected and type Watermark in the search bar. It will show up here. To add the watermark effect to clip, click on Watermark and drag it over your clip. Drop it when you see a white outline around the clip. The watermark effect will appear under Effects in the inspector, or select the clip and double-click Watermark. It will also appear in the inspector effects. Or search for adjustment clip in the effects library and drag it onto the timeline above your footage. Then search for watermark and drag the watermark effect onto that adjustment clip. This applies the watermark to everything under the adjustment clip. Great if you have multiple clips or want the watermark to cover the whole project. Now that the watermark effect is on the clip, to change watermark color, select the clip if you have more clips, and in the inspector. Under Effects, click Color, pick the color you want in the color picker and click OK to apply it. Then scroll to the bottom of the Effects section and move the Blend slider to set how transparent the watermark is. In the text field, type your watermark text, like your username. Then use the Size slider to scale the text. The watermark will resize as you move the slider. Next are the tiling options. Copies width sets how many vertical copies of the watermark appear. 1 keeps a single column, 2 adds another column to the right and left, 3 adds another to the left and right, and so on. Use width spacing to adjust the horizontal space between these columns by roll the slider left or right. This adjusts the horizontal space between the watermark columns. Next, the Copies Height option. It sets how many horizontal copies of the watermark appear. 1 keeps a single row, adds another row, 1 top and 1 bottom, and so on. And use height spacing to adjust the vertical space between those rows by roll the slider left or right. This adjusts the horizontal space between the watermark rows. Then click Font and choose a font to change the watermark typography. Next, scroll up. To use your logo as the watermark, first add the logo file to the media pool. Then select it and drag it into the clip name field. The logo file name will appear here. Enable this checkbox to use this logo as the watermark, and it will show up on the clip. To resize the logo, move the logo size slider to resize it. Then, roll the slider left or right to rotate the logo as shown in the preview. When you're done adjusting the watermark, change its opacity using the blend slider to the level you want for the final video. To switch between text and logo watermark, disable the checkbox to use text, or enable it to use the logo. That's everything you need. Your watermark is set. Export your video and you're done. If you found this video helpful, hit like, follow or subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tips, and tell me in the comments which tricks you want next. See you next time.